If you're purchasing new appliances, you're probably reading online reviews, asking your friends for their advice and learning all the manufacturer specs. But you've probably seen a lot of buyer's remorse and comments from people wishing they had bought something different. Wouldn't it be great to learn all the nightmares to avoid up front so they don't happen to you? In this new series, that's exactly what we're going to do. We'll show you the common and uncommon pitfalls and mistakes in every category, from starting a project to delivering, without the several different types of damage that can happen in your home.
You could buy much better laundry with larger capacity, more cycles, and options than your parents could ever imagine. You could also make more mistakes than they ever could. In this video, you'll learn the 3 most common mistakes we've seen other clients make. You've seen these machines in stores and advertised in sales. They're large capacity top loads without agitators. The impeller at the bottom moves the clothes and does the cleaning, supposedly. But people aren't happy with these machines because top loads washed by agitation mean the agitator provides the washing action to clean the clothes. Remove that, and your clothes will not be as clean. I love this idea. Place your clothes in the machine and it gets washed and dried. A washer and dryer in one unit. The drying cycle is 4 hours due to its 110-volt power, but that is not the real issue. You can always turn the machine on at night and have your clothes ready in the morning. The problem with combos is they don't remove lint. It stays in the machine and it can seize it over time. A combo will be okay for a single person or used sparingly, but will have a short life if used frequently. Separate compact washers and dryers are a better choice. You have more models with better features, including the more efficient and faster heat pump drying. You should buy a reliable machine. Despite what you've heard, based on 40,000 plus service calls, the first year reliability between a top load and a front load is about 0.5%. So buy what you like and refer to our reliability videos for the most reliable brands in each category. So how do you pick your next washer? That depends on your space and whether you're stacking. You can now choose between different top loads. The first top load with an agitator is the least expensive, has been around the longest. You lose capacity, it uses more water and electricity per load. Then you can buy the washer without the agitator, but you shouldn't if you want clean clothes. Front loads are available in smaller and larger sizes and are the only type you can stack. You could fit the smaller 24-inch in closets and even a 24-inch standard kitchen cabinet. Most compact dryers are ventless so that you can place a set anywhere with water and power. The larger front loaders have the most capacity and use less water and electricity. They're more expensive to buy, but much less costly to run even with the larger capacity. However, the repair costs are higher on a front load. You may have also read about mold and mildew problems with front load. They were worse than the older front loads. If you wipe down the gasket and leave the door open, you shouldn't have a problem. That's it for laundry. If you want to learn the best front loads or top loads, click these videos, and thanks for watching.